Okay, so if for some reason you cannot make your lesson, here's what you want to do. You want to go to contemporaryschoolofthearts.com, click on login, log in with your email address that you set up your account with, find the date that you're scheduled for your lesson. Be sure that you're canceling your lesson at least 24 hours before your scheduled lesson. So in this case, today is April 30th, and the lesson is tomorrow at 5:30. So I am still able to cancel that lesson and still get a makeup credit. So I'm going to cancel that. You can see the little memo here. You can write me a note if you so desire. I'll just do a quick note and confirm it. And so now that lesson, as you can see, is canceled. Now, the next thing to do is to look on the calendar and see when there is another open slot. We have an open slot here on the 22nd at 4 o'clock. Go ahead and register for that open slot so that you can make this lesson up. You have been given a makeup credit. That's why you're able to register for an open slot lesson, because you canceled 24 hours before your scheduled lesson. So go ahead and click register, and you'll see that now this lesson has been scheduled for your makeup. Okay, hopefully you found that helpful.